Hi everyone, which number is larger? We have two different bases, 3 and 2, and we have two different exponents, 50 and 75. So first we are going to somehow distribute the exponents. So we write a 3 and here we write 2 by 25. So 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. And here we say 3 by 25. So 3 multiplied by 25 is 75. Okay. Now we're going to write them. 3 squared, we say it is 9 to the power of 25. And 2 by 2 by 2, which is 2 to the power 3, will be 8 to the power of 25. Now we have the same exponents here. It's easy to say which one is larger. So this is the largest, which is 3 to the power of 50. So this is our answer. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.